Jasmine, and I'm gonna open my present for Mommy and Daddy early.
For your birthday?
Yeah. But we're still gonna open it.
Okay.
Woo! Here's the first thing that you see. Here's a rock. Here's the next thing. There's a map.
We got a book called Max, Mia, and Toby's Adventures Around the World. What is that?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh!
You got a suitcase?
That's what I always wanted.
And stuff for you to learn about different places around the
it's a
world?
bookmark. Some stickers. Wonder what that is. And it's
Some stickers for your passport?
I think so.
Here's your
Oh.
passport.
Yeah. And Graf, you can write on this.
Yeah, we'll put
do.
your name on it.
Yep.
We can take that on our trip to Texas, can't we?
Yeah. And put stuff in here. We can take those with us. I'm gonna put everything that we can go to. Well, with Texas.
You got a poster.
Yeah.
It's a map.
Let's take that with us. I'm just gonna put everything that.
Flashlight Adventures Around the World.
Ooh. Let's take these to Texas. Put in everything. Ooh, let's take this bookmark.
And you got a souvenir book.
I want to do this picture.
So what country do you hope we learn about first?
France.
What's another country you like besides France?
I'm not sure.
What's your favorite?